All right, today, pressure washing. That's what this video is about. Gonna jump right into it. It's a new driveway, pretty gross. Take a look at it. This will be kind of like the before video. Just hasn't been cleaned in a long time. All right, so we're gonna pressure wash the driveway. And then the sidewalk there and leading up to the front. Sidewalks are pretty bad too. Just black stain, got some rust marks and dirt. Hasn't been cleaned in a really long time. So I'll show you my pressure washer. It is a cheap piece of crap and it works great. I think it's from Lowe's. It's a Greenworks 1600 PSI. Had it for 5 or 6 years. I think it's like $100 pressure washer. You don't need a professional industrial one. You don't need no special thing other than the wand. And you don't need 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 PSIs. It's the basic cheapest one you can get. Right now I think they're about $100. Sometimes they go and sell for 60, 70 bucks from Lowe's. Greenworks 1600 PSI. That's all I got. I have my hose, my QD fitting that I use for it, and then only thing I bought, so I bought this little kit on Amazon. I got an extension for the wand, so if you're taller and you don't want to be bending over the whole time doing like the ground or the driveway like this, get you, I think that's like a 15-inch 45-degree nozzle extension. That way it doesn't kill your back while you're pressure washing. But yeah, cheap, affordable, highly recommended to any homeowner. You can clean siding, brick, concrete, fences, everything, and you don't need crazy PSI. I actually prefer the lower 1600 PSI electric one because there's a lot less risk of damaging anything or hurting yourself with some of those 3,000 to 4,000 PSI pressure washers. So yeah, that's it. We'll cut to a little test of it. I'll get everything set up. All right, let's just find a spot. See how it's gonna work. Pretty bad spot right here. All right, watch your ears. Alright, I think it's going to work good. So that's really all I do. 2 to 4 inches. I mean, based on the cleaning, you just adjust your nozzle to where you want, right? So that's about 4 inches, and that's going to work good. So get you set up and we'll do a little time lapse and see how this goes. Alright, so that was about, I don't know, 20 minutes just to do that front section. I'm going to do this section. I don't know, so probably with the sidewalks, I probably got 2 hours of pressure washing to do. But, so yeah, basic electric pressure washer, cheapy, $100 or less. Couple recommendations. After you've washed an area, right, and pressure washed it, got all the embedded stuff up, go back and from further away rinse it. Otherwise, if the water dries, all that dirt will dry back onto the concrete. All right, so you want to get that off your working surface. So I've cleaned stuff like that on brick before. So yeah, I cleaned the brick, but all those little black spots haven't come up. So I'm I'm not sure what they are. At first I thought they were just some kind of fungus or mold. But yeah, I'm not sure. Pressure washer didn't take it up, so maybe I need some kind of cleaner on it. I don't know. If you have any recommendations, leave it in the comments. A little mid-clean, satisfying shot. I know I like to watch this stuff, so here you go. Alright, so we got the after shots. Came out pretty good. Sidewalk looks amazing. Again, I couldn't get the those black spots out of the brick. So if you know what that is, or how to get them off, some cleaner maybe, what kind of stuff I need to do, I'll give that a shot. So just let me know. Driveway turned out really nice compared to what it was. Yeah, it did take me about 2 or 3 hours to do it all. I got distracted halfway through and busted out the chainsaw and started trimming some of these trees. So now the driveway looks good. And the sidewalk on the side sidewalk came out great. So there you go, before and after, all done.